Greetings, remarkable viewers of the YouTuber Center channel. I'm absolutely thrilled to have you back for the 6th episode of our incredible series on making money online. Our journey has been nothing short of extraordinary, with a grand total of 75 remarkable ideas explored so far. And today, we're taking that excitement up another notch with 15 more ingenious concepts. If you're ready to add more arrows to your online earning quiver, you're in for a treat. But before we dive into these fresh opportunities, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you're joining a vibrant community that's always at the forefront of money-making strategies. Alright, without further ado, let's jump into these 15 brand new, innovative ideas to help you prosper online. And there you have it, 15 more phenomenal methods to elevate your online income. From unique investment avenues to creative ways of offering value, the digital realm is bursting with financial potential. If any of these ideas resonated with you or if you have questions, feel free to drop a comment below. And, of course, show your support by hitting that like button and becoming a part of our growing community through a subscription. We're here to lead you towards success in the online arena. Thank you for being here with us today. Remember, each idea we discuss is a potential stride towards financial freedom. Stay curious, stay motivated, and I'll catch you in our next video. Yoga instruction through live or pre-recorded sessions. Yoga instructors can offer their expertise through live or pre-recorded sessions. They guide participants in various yoga practices, from gentle stretching to advanced poses, promoting physical and mental well-being. Remote mental health counseling. Licensed therapists and counselors provide mental health support via secure video calls or chat platforms. This allows individuals to access professional help from the comfort of their homes, addressing concerns like anxiety, depression, or life transitions. Health-related affiliate marketing. Health enthusiasts, bloggers, or professionals in the field promote health products, supplements, or wellness services through their platforms. They earn a commission for every sale generated through their referral links. Running virtual fitness challenges. Organizers create and manage virtual fitness challenges. Participants pay an entry fee to join, committing to achieve specific health or fitness goals. Challenges may run for a set period, offering motivation and a sense of community. Selling health and wellness products. Entrepreneurs develop and market health and wellness products, such as organic foods, supplements, fitness equipment, or self-care items. These can be sold through e-commerce platforms, personal websites, or even established marketplaces. Business consulting and strategy. 1. Experienced professionals provide businesses with strategic insights and solutions to enhance their operations, expand market reach, and increase profitability. 1. This can encompass areas like marketing, operations, finance, and organizational development. Legal consulting for online businesses. 1. Legal experts offer specialized guidance to online businesses. 1. They assist with matters like contracts, intellectual property, compliance with industry regulations, and legal documentation necessary for online operations. Financial planning and advice. 1. Certified financial planners offer personalized financial advice, helping clients make informed decisions about budgeting, investing, retirement planning, and wealth management. 1. They create tailored strategies to meet individual financial goals. Career coaching and resume services. 1. Career coaches empower individuals in their professional journeys. 1. They offer services like resume writing, interview preparation, job search strategies, and career development guidance to help clients succeed in their chosen fields. Life coaching and personal development. 1. Life coaches assist individuals in setting and achieving personal and professional goals. 1. They provide support, accountability, and guidance in areas like personal growth, time management, and overcoming challenges. Marketing strategy and planning. 1. Experts in marketing develop comprehensive strategies for businesses to enhance their visibility, attract their target audience, and boost sales. 1. This includes market research, brand positioning, and creating tailored campaigns. Public speaking and online workshops. 1. Seasoned speakers share their expertise on specific topics through public speaking engagements or online workshops. 1. They provide valuable insights, share experiences, and offer actionable advice to their audience. Event planning and coordination. 1. Event planners organize and oversee various types of events, such as conferences, webinars, virtual trade shows, and workshops. 1. They handle logistics, coordinate speakers, and ensure the event runs smoothly. Interior design consulting services. 1. Interior designers offer professional guidance on creating aesthetically pleasing and functional living or workspaces. 1. They provide advice on color schemes, furniture selection, spatial arrangements, and more. Online therapy and counseling. 1. Licensed therapists and counselors provide mental health support via secure video calls or chat platforms. 1. This allows individuals to access professional help from the comfort of their homes, addressing concerns like anxiety, depression, or life transitions. Each of these methods offers a unique opportunity to earn money online while providing valuable services. 1. Success in marketing strategy and planning requires a deep understanding of consumer behavior, market trends, and effective communication. 1. Marketers should be skilled in analyzing data to make informed decisions. 2. Public speaking and online workshops demand strong communication skills, expertise in a specific area, and the ability to engage and inspire an audience. 2. Building a personal brand and marketing oneself is crucial in this field. 3. Event planning and coordination involves excellent organizational skills, attention to detail, and the ability to manage multiple tasks simultaneously. 3. Planners need to ensure a seamless and enjoyable experience for attendees. 4. Interior design consulting services require creativity, a keen eye for aesthetics, and a solid understanding of design principles. 4. Building a portfolio and networking within the industry can lead to a successful consulting business. 5. Online therapy and counseling require licensure, empathy, and the ability to establish trust and rapport with clients. 5. Adherence to ethical guidelines and maintaining confidentiality is crucial in this field. Overall, success in any of these fields depends on expertise, effective communication, and a genuine commitment to providing value to clients or attendees. It's important to continually enhance your skills and stay updated with industry trends to thrive in the online space. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.